Hey everybody, what do you do when a client calls you, account managers we're talking to here, what do we do when a client calls you and says they want to change their copy? Well, there's two situations. The first situation is this situation where we've sent a spot out for review. It's on spot review. They heard some things they want to change and you need to get that reproduced. This is easy. You're going to go over here, change the script. You're going to put this to needs production and make a little blog entry on why you did that. Hey, the client added copy points. Okay, that was easy. Here's where it gets complicated. Say they want to change the copy for this spot. Brian's widgets, great widgets for you. This spot started on 9/24 and it ends on 9/30, right? So it's a spot that is currently running. It started today. Wow, this gets a little more complicated. We cannot just change this PO because we need to have a record of what ran and when it ran. So what we have to do, first, we click here to select it and we go up to copy. Okay, copy the files. Sure, we'll keep the files. It doesn't matter. Okay, so now we have this brand new shiny PO that we're going to go in and edit. We'll get into it like this. We're going to, of course, change the title because this is revised. We're going to change the date. Let's leave the start date of today. Let's say that you came to me and asked me, Brian, please, will you change this today? And I say, yes, I can. And then you went to Sarah, then you asked her, can I get a log edit today? And she said, of course you can. So let's start this today and, of course, end at 9:30 like the original run was. Then you're going to go down, change your script to whatever the client has requested. Okay? And then put it as a status of needs production. Because now we've got to reproduce this spot. Okay, due date is of course today. And then we hit submit. Brand new shiny PO that we're going to produce today. Let's go back to searching for all of our Brian's widgets spots. Search, sorry. And now you'll see that we've got this new shiny PO and we have this PO that's starting 11/1. Ignore that. We don't need that right now. And we have this PO that is currently running great widgets for you. Now we can't leave this PO running. So what do we need to do? We need to select it and click revise. We use revisions to change the date or contract on a PO. We do not use it to change the production of a PO. We use it to limit the dates. So that's what we're doing in this case. Let's go into the PO. And now we're in the PO. Let's see, this spot name doesn't change. This is the spot that we're going to limit the dates on. The due date is today. The start date does not change. This is the date that it actually did start, but the end date will change. We're going to end that today, right? This is revising this PO so that it stops running today. The last thing we need to do is make a blog entry on why we did this. Client changed copy to currently running spot. End dated this spot and made a new PO. That's pretty descriptive. Post that and now we submit this PO. So now we've got this revision. Let's go back to searching for all of our Brian's widgets and you will see a beautiful picture of what happened. Okay, Brian's great widgets for you, revised, starting today, needs production. Great, that tells us a new spot starting today. Great widgets for you is in revision status, end dates today. Great. That tells us that we need to do that in traffic. And that is how you change copy on a PO that is currently running. Now, if it's run in the past and it stopped running at the end of August or the end of last month rather, and it's not currently running, you don't have to do that. You're just doing a brand new PO. There's no need to worry about making the revision and everything. This is how you change copy on a spot that is currently running. Thank you for watching.